Hello, this is Zdenka. In today's video I will show you how to edit like a boss in Instagram app. We will make this photo look like this, and bonus, I'll share a trick how to schedule your Instagram posts in advance so you don't have to do it every single day. For those watching channel first time, my name is Zdenka Darula. I'm a photographer / former model / few other things. I make tutorials, vlogs, and I offer monthly mobile photography contests, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Well, yesterday I was taking photo with my phone, which is Samsung Galaxy S6. I made these summer cocktails and very tasty fruit salads like this one. Here it is. I took this photo on a patio in a shade. It was very bright day, so I got lots of light. This is how it looks like without any editing. Alright, so now let's open up Instagram and edit the photo like a boss in Instagram application. So I already have the photo ready here. Here's what you can do to make your photo really pop without using simply the filters. Click next, and I'm going to go to edit. So here I don't need to do anything with the adjust. Next I'm going to go to brightness, and I brighten it up just a little bit, just a top notch. Done. Next I go to contrast, and we want the photo really pop, so I'm going to push the contrast all the way to the right. Structure, we would like to see all the details, especially in the woods, so I'm going to push it all the way to the right again. Done. Warmth, we can add a little bit of warmth, why not, because it's food and it's beautifully red and orangey. Saturation, we can bring the colors a little bit more because people like more colorful photos. Color in shadows, we could add a little bit, I would say the blue tone here. In highlights, I am not going to add anything that just looks too much. Done. Next I'm going to go to highlights, and I just bring it tiny bit down. Shadows, we're gonna bring them a little bit down to the left to make it even more contrasty, even though I might return to highlights and just try something. Yep, I'm gonna bring the highlights back to the right, and I'm not going to use vignette on this one, and that's it. So I was just going to click next, processing, and we can absolutely upload the photo. Now I promised you bonus, didn't I? So here it is. If you're a really busy person just like me and simply don't have the time, even capacity to think that you need to post another Instagram post tomorrow, you need to download this free application called Planoly. So I'm going to add a photo. Perhaps this is what we were working on. Then I hit the upload button. Once you select your photo, you will have to assign description, hashtag, and all the stuff, and schedule it. Once the time comes, the application will let you know it's time to post the photo. Then you hit the copy button, open up Instagram, and you are all set. So that is all from me today. I hope you liked this video, so please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, comments, or would like to request a video on a certain topic, don't hesitate to comment below in the video description. I would love to hear from you. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ahoy!